Hello, good day everyone. In this video, pagpapatuloy lang natin yung talakayan natin tungkol sa ellipse. At ngayon, magsasagot tayo ng mga exercises tungkol rito. So, bibigyan tayo ng conditions ng ellipse at hahanapin natin yung equation niya. Recall muna natin yung equations ng ellipse. Meron tayong horizontal ellipse at vertical ellipse. And if you have a horizontal ellipse, you have this equation. And if you have a vertical ellipse, you have this equation. Ang tatandaan lang natin, kailangan yung A mas malaki sa B. Where A is the length of the semi-major axis, B is the length of the semi-minor axis, and C is the length of the line segment from the center to one focus. At nagpa-follow sila ng ganitong relationship. So ito yung problems natin. Find an equation for each ellipse that satisfies the given condition. Of course, we start with number 1. Pag pinapahanap ang equation ng ellipse, ito yung mga kailangan ninyong hanapin. Number 1 is the orientation. Kasi pag alam mo na yung orientation ng ellipse, malalaman mo kung ano yung form ng equation niya dun sa dalawang binigay natin kanina. And then the center, tapos si A and B. So yung apat na yan yung kailangan nating hanapin. At para ma-figure out ko yung orientation ng ellipse, dinodrawing ko yung mga points. Yung points lang, not necessarily the whole ellipse. So, yung point natin na center is at 3, negative 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So, andito center natin. While one vertex is at 8, negative 3. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tapos, negative 3. Okay. Actually, dito palang huli mo na yung ellipse eh. Kung anong itsura niya eh. Center, vertex. So, yung ellipse mo, syempre hindi ko na-draw. Kailangan lang naman natin malaman kung horizontal o vertical. So, ibig sabihin, semi-major axis to. This is the center. Meron pa sa kabila doon. Ibig sabihin, itsura ng ellipse mo. Horizontal ellipse. Okay? So, okay na yung ating orientation. So, horizontal ellipse ang equation is x minus h square. Yung a square nasa x. Nasa denominator ng x minus h. Ayan na. So, yan na equation niya. Supply na lang yung mga values. So, we already have the center, 3, negative 3. This is hk. So, libre na yung orientation, libre na yung center. Yung a at b na lang. Ano yung A? Distance from center to one vertex. Pero anong distansya nito? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or ima-minus nyo to. Which is 5. So that is our A. A is 5. Yung B, hindi natin malalaman kasi wala tayong endpoint ng minor axis. Malalaman natin yun using the focus. Yung focus natin is at 5, negative 3. Nasaan yun? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. So, andito isang focus. 5, negative 3. At malalaman mo yung distansya ng center to focus, which is 2 units. At ang sabi natin, center to focus is C. So, in this case, 2. So, paano natin malalaman yung B square? Using the formula, A square equal to B square plus C square. So, laging nangyayari yan sa ellipse. So, plug in na lang natin yung values nito. We get 25, 5 square equal to B square plus C square is 4. So, we get 25 minus 4 is B square. Kahit B square na lang yung isolve nyo. Kasi, ipa-plug in nyo doon. So, B square lang naman yung kailangan. Tapos, pa-plug in mo na yung values na HK, A, tsaka B square. So, gawin na natin yon. So, yung equation ng ating ellipse ay x minus our h is 3 over A square. A square is 25 plus y minus, our k is negative 3, so minus negative 3 is positive 3 square all over b square, or b square is 21, equal to 1. Ayan. So kapag kinuha mo yung mga vertex nito, yung foci, center, it must agree doon sa ating given. Let's proceed with our next example. Ganun ulit, find the orientation. Yun ang pinaka-una. So drawing natin yung mga points lang natin. Okay, so we have 5, 0 and negative 1, 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Andito isang focus. Yung isa naman at negative 1, 0. So ito yung F1, ito yung F2. Di ba sabi natin magkaka-align ang center, foci, tsaka vertices. So ibig sabihin sila nasa major axis sila. So ibig sabihin yung major axis mo pahalang. So you have a horizontal ellipse. Okay, so this is a horizontal ellipse. So you get x minus h square over a square plus y minus k square over b square equal to 1. And the next step, find the center. Yung center nasa gitna ng foci. Anong gitna nito? So andito lang din yun, no? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 units. So 3 units para makuha yung center. Midpoint. So which is 2, 0. Or pwede nyong gawin, you get the average of this. So 5 plus negative 1 is 4 divided by 2 is 2. Tapos 0. So yun yung center. So ang ating HK 2, 0. Meron siyang sinasabi dito, the length of the major axis is 10. Major axis isang buo yun. So yun yung from vertex to vertex. So kung gusto mong center to vertex lang, you have to divide this by 2. So this means 2a is 10, or a is equal to 5. Ang kulang na lang si b. Pero meron tayong focus tsaka center. Center to focus, that is yung c. Ilang units yon? 3 units away. At para mahanap si b, gagamitin ulit natin yung equation na a square equal to b square plus c square. Kahit b square na lang yung hanapin kasi yun yung ipa-plug in natin doon. So 25 is 9 plus c So 25 is equal to b square plus 9 because a is 5, c is 3. Magkakaroon tayo 25 minus 9 is b square, or b square is 16. At itong mga nakuha nating values, papasak na natin dito. So anong makukuha natin? X minus 2 square, kasi ang h mo ay 2. Ang a square natin 25 because a is 5, plus y minus 0 square over b square is 1. Or simplify natin yung part na to. Y square na lang yan, no? Yan ang equation ng ellipse for number 2. Let's proceed with number 3. Actually, paulit-ulit lang gagawin natin. Orientation muna, the center, what is A, what is B. Ganun lang yung gagawin natin lagi pag naghahanap ng equation ng ellipse. So for the orientation, sige, drawing natin itong mga points na to. 2, 1, 2, 3. So that is the center. Libre na yung center, no? May HK ka na. One vertex is at 2, 5. 2, 5. Andito si 2, 5. So, ibig sabihin, kung ito yung center mo, ito yung vertex, yung ellipse mong itsura niya, something like this. You have a vertical ellipse. So, alam na agad natin yung equation niya. So, vertical ellipse, nakatapat sa ilalim ng y minus k ang a square. X minus h square over b square plus y minus k square over a square is 1. We already have hk, libre na yun. Meron tayong center to vertex, which is a. So, a is 2. A is 2. Okay? So, plug in na nga natin to, tsaka ito, dito sa equation, para mabuo na siya. Anong kakalabasan? Meron tayong x minus 2 square. Tapos, over b square plus y minus 3 square over 2 square is 4 equal to 1. Tama bang? H is 2, y is 3, k is 3, b square, a is 2, kaya magiging 4. Pero meron pa tayong hindi nagagamit sa assumption. Yung condition na passing through, 3, ang ating, tawag dito, ang ating conic. Asama si 3, matatakpan na yung usog natin. Ano si 3? Okay ba yun? So, kailangan natin malaman kung ano si B from this one. Okay? Actually, alam na natin na siya si B kasi, tingnan nyo, magka-level. Diba, ito yung major axis natin. Perpendicular ang major axis tsaka minor axis. So, ibig sabihin ng B mo ay 1. Therefore, B is 1. So, pwede na natin palitan actually ito ng 1. Kasi, B ay 1. Nag-overthink pa ako. Akala ko ang gagawin natin. Pa-plug in mo yung XY doon. Tapos, masasolve mo si B square. Actually, pwede rin yun. Makukuha nyo B square equal to 1. Pero, mas madali itong paraan na ito. Sabi nga nila, save the best for last. Kaya itong pinaka-cute na problem natin, ginawa natin pinaka-huling-huli. Unang-una sa lahat, orientation ang kailangan alamin. Let us draw our ellipse. So, yung foci daw nasa 1, negative 3. 1, negative 3. So, yan yung isang focus. Tapos, yung isa naman nasa 1, 3. 1, 1, 2, 3. So, dalawang focus yan. So, vertical, magka-align yung focus mo at yung focus mo nasa major axis. So, ibig sabihin, ng major axis mo vertical, you have a vertical ellipse. At anong equation ng vertical ellipse? Nakatapat sa y minus k ang a square. Ayan. Okay? Tapos, we can get the center by getting the midpoint of this foci. Ang itsura kasi ng ellipse mo pa ganun. Diba nasa gitna ng foci ang center. 1, 3. Okay, so yung center equidistant dun sa dalawang foci. Tapos, collinear sila. Ang HK ay 1, 3. Okay ba yan? Ano pang mga impormasyon ang makukuha natin? Si C, center to focus, we have ilang units yon? 1, 2, 3. 3 units. So, plug in na nga natin ito dito. Ano ang lalabas? Square over A square equal to 1. Kailangan natin ma-solve yung ano dito, yung B tsaka A. So, gagamitin natin itong impormasyon na to. Kung x-intercepts mo ay 3, nasan si 3? Drawing ko sa pula. 1, 2, 3. Yung pulay intercepts, tas isa, negative 1. So yung ellipse mo, iusog ko lang ang ating napakagandang drawing, will look something like this. So ganyan yung mangyayari. And hey, tingnan mo. Ito yung major axis mo, perpendicular, dumadaan sa center. This must be the minor axis. Minor axis, papunta dito, yun yung end of the minor axis. At ang sukat nun ay B. So ilang units yun? 1, 2. So ang B mo rito ay 2. Yay, libre na to. At mahanap na natin si A using the formula A square equal to B square plus C square. Or kahit A square na lang. Kasi A square yung lalagay mo doon. A square is 2 square plus 3 square, or A square is 4 plus 9 equal to 13. And then plug and play. A square dito, yung B mo, lalagay mo doon 2 square, magiging 4 siya. So x minus 1 square equal to 1. Yan yung sagot for number 4. And that's how you do it. So, ang important takeaway natin pag nagsosolve ng equation ng ellipse or pag naghahanap ng equation ng ellipse, una, find the orientation of the ellipse para malaman yung form ng equation niya. And then next, hanapin ang center, tapos yung A at saka B. Kapag hindi binigay yung isa doon, tapos binigay yung C, gagamitin nyo yung equation na A square equal to B square plus C square para mahanap mo yung B o kaya yung A. That ends our video for this episode. Goodbye and take care.